Well, the spate of violent crimes against women in the state of Uttar Pradesh has finally commanded the attention of the Samajwadi Party chief Mulayam Singh Yadav, who has called for an emergency meeting of top party leaders and state ministers. The meeting has been called to review the law and order situation in the state. Apart from that, they'll also be discussing the power crisis. The meeting will be held at Samajwadi Party office in Lucknow. Amir Haq is now joining us with more details on that big meeting called in by the Samajwadi Party chief. Amir, in the past, the father has been quite publicly scolding his son for poor performance in the state. Now, even though Mulayam has come to the son's rescue of late, is it possible that he may talk tough in this meeting?
Well, yes, Maha. Obviously, Mulayam Singh Yadav has been critical of Akhilesh Yadav earlier as well. But now, right now, it is not just law and order and power which are issues that are going to be discussed in this meeting. In fact, a larger issue, that of the UP government not living up to the expectations of people, will also be discussed there in the meeting. And in fact, there seems to be some serious agenda up front on the meeting for Mulayam Singh Yadav, because he's discussed it in detail yesterday with his brother and Cabinet Minister Shivpal Yadav. And today it seems that there will be some discussion on reshuffling of the portfolios of these ministers as well, because there are a number of ministers who were entrusted with detailed responsibilities of what role will actually they will play in the just concluded Lok Sabha elections. But most of these ministers, as you know, with BJP garnering 71 seats out of 80 and Samajwadi Party only getting 5 seats out of the entire lot,
yeah.
they've done actually very, very badly. So definitely they're sure to get some flack from their party chief today.
All right.
And since Akhilesh Yadav has also recently met the governor twice, there are speculations that there will be a large-scale reshuffle of portfolios in the ministry as well. So let's see how it goes, because this meeting on a Sunday is definitely very, very serious. That's
right.
How we are told all the ministers are taking it. We'll get to know by noon what comes out of it.
But the big question, of course, Amir, remains, will a reshuffle help change the image of the Samajwadi Party government in Uttar Pradesh with rampant lawlessness in the state and the power crisis looming? Amir Haq, many thanks for joining us with those details. We'll, of course, come back to you later.